Bruh, she be lit as fuck.
Yo, what up, YouTube? G22 Leon coming at you guys. All right, so I'm out here again messing with my Civic. Finally got these pedals off. The auto pedals, I meant. Finally got them off. Give you a quick look underneath there. The pedals are gone. You see my trash and everything else I have there. So the pedals are here. This is the automatic brake and the manual brake is there. So what I did was I took the pedals off, and this pedals actually has a cotter pin in it. So there you go, focus. So yeah, it actually has a cotter pin in it. I haven't seen a video out here for anyone showing how to get them off or anything. So let me be the first to let you guys know. It'd be a lot easier if you take the cotter pins out of the gas pedal and pull the pedal off and then take the brake off. You know what I'm saying? Have to do what you have to do instead of removing the whole dash. You know what I'm saying? Some people like to remove the whole dash, but if you don't, then you're like me, you don't want to have to. Take the cotter pin out the gas pedal, pull it right off, and snatch the brake out of there. And you're doing your next step. So my next step now, right now, is to put this the manual brake on, throw the clutch pedal on, and I'm trying to get this done before night falls. Cause you know what I'm saying, it's a nice day. Weather done broke just a little bit, man. Too cold, nice and warm. So let me get back to this. Like I said, take these cotter pins out. Both of these out of gas pedal. Oh, matter of fact, speaking of that, before I go, let me show you guys this. So this one is the one that came with the manual set, the manual assembly. And this is the gas pedal. The gas pedal, and that's how it looks. It's supposed to be. And this is the one that came on my automatic, and this is the one I will use. I'm just put this one back on because the cable fits still in there. I just need to get it some brake cleaner, knock that off, clean it up some. So yeah, that's exactly how it came. So I'm gonna actually use this one. So if you guys are swapping them out, changing them out, doing anything of that nature, um, make sure you just look at them twice, look at them 3 times, 4 times. It's just like cutting. Measure twice, cut once. All right, guys, it's G22 Leon. Keep it Honda, baby.